Hello everyone, I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Queen. Today's I'll try to test the charging test on this MI11X device using the Ambrent's 27,000 milliamperes power bank, as you can see friends. So in this test I'll try to use the Type-C to Type-C cable and the normal USB cable charging as well. So we'll get to know both results, which one is kind of faster as well. And I thought of using the Ambrent power bank, which is right now available in the Flipkart for the price about 1499. So this the capacity is about 27,000 milliamperes capacity friends, as you can see here. So let's see what will be the charging speed of this power bank as well, and very soon I'll be doing a review on this power bank after using for a few months. So it's been really good experience and I'll try to talk about in that video. And if you want this kind of live wallpaper, this kind of wallpapers for the punch hole, so make sure to check the video which I uploaded just now, so you'll get to know how to set this kind of similar kind of punch hole wallpapers. So let's begin the test friends by opening this application which is called the battery charging application, so which will be demonstrating you the real time milliamperes and the charging speed exactly. So we will see what will be the charging speed recorded here as well. So and later I'll try to show in the settings as well what will be the estimated time it is displaying. So first let me try to close the lock screen. So I close the lock screen and I connected to the normal USB cable to the phone, as you can see here. So right now it's charging, and let's see friends whether it will be able to detect the quick charge or not. As you can see friends, right now in the beginning sometimes it won't detect, as you can see, but later it will try to detect as a quick charge. So right now it's detected as a quick charge as well. So first let me try to open the settings and show you the what is the estimated time in the battery settings. So right now estimated time is about 1 hour and 31 minutes using this Ambrent power bank, as you can see here, so which I connected from the cable to the phone directly. So 1 hour and 30 minutes is the estimated time starting from the 5%. So this is how much time it takes if you charge using the Ambrent power bank with this phone. And let's see the charging speed as well, how much it recorded. So it is a charging speed. So right now it's recording about as you can see 2700 milliamperes, and the highest was 3098 milliamperes during this time of testing just now, as you can see friends clearly. So overall if you use a normal USB cable which came along with the box, and it will take about 1 hour and 30 minutes or 1 hour 40 minutes if you start from zero. In the out of the box, if you use the default charger, it will take about 60 minutes or 65 minutes. So overall it's close to 30 to 40 minutes more time it's taking by using the power bank to charge the MI11X device, as you can see friends. So this is a test which I did right now, and next let me try to move to the normal USB as well. And these are the speeds as well friends. The power bank can charge the speeds up to 18 watt maximum charging. So this is what I'm trying to test. So by using this kind of power bank, how much time the phone will be able to take. So now let's see the normal Type-C type cable, so whether will it make any kind of difference by using the Type-C to Type-C cable or not. So right now the Type-C cable is successfully connected, and it should be also taking some time to detect the quick charge, as you can see friends. So right now I'm trying to use only the Ambrent power bank. So in case if the quick charge is not detected, so make sure to disconnect and connect again, so that will definitely detect again. So right now I'm trying to go to the battery and showing the estimated time how much it is. So estimated time is also close to previously results friends, 1 hour 30 marks only. So overall it doesn't make a lot of difference if you're using the Type-C cable or maybe normal USB cable while using this kind of Ambrent power bank. So both should be good, but overall if you use the Ambrent power bank to charge, it will take about 1 hour 40 minutes to completely charge the MI11X device starting from 0 to 100%. So let's see the estimated time, what is the maximum speed right now it's recording. So right now the maximum speed it's recorded about 2000 milliamperes, but this will slowly increase different times when you try to charge. So right now sometimes it's reaching up to as you can see, it started to increase 130 milliamperes. Sometimes if you disconnect and connect, there are chances that the speed increases. I am not sure why there's a problem with the power bank. I'm not understanding. As you can see friends, right now it reached maximum to the 2381 milliamperes. So sometimes the results might be vary, but overall it should be kind of same time both charges if you are trying to charge the MI11X device. So this is a quick review friends on this topic, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more interesting details on these mobile phones. In the next I'll be doing testing in depth of this phone as well. And don't forget to check this video which I did on this Ambrent power bank. Is it worth to buy this kind of power bank or not for this kind of price? And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then. Bye.